To make QR code for registration, I'm going to go over to templates here, and I'm going to search for QR code poster. And I'll go through these templates that came up to find a QR code that will work for my need. I've seen one that I like, and I'm going to click on this QR code because I want to split it into two and use it that way. So I'm going to click on this template, and I'm printing mine, by the way, so I don't want to waste so much paper. And I'm going to click on customize this template. And you see this QR code is already built for my needs, so I don't really need to change anything. I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to delete this, and I'll click on this and I will delete it. I'm going to select all this text and delete it, and I'll paste the link to where I want them to visit and make registration, just in case some people couldn't scan the QR code. I will copy that, and I will come into this box also. I will delete this, and I'll also paste that link. Now I have this covered. Now it's now putting a QR code. We'll go over to elements here. I want to search for QR code, and this will come up from here. I'm just going to click into here. I would paste the link to where I want them to go when they scan the QR code. So I'm going to click on generate code, and it generates, and I'm going to just take that code and place it here. You see it's at the middle of what I have. And I can also click on this text box and resize this to meet that need. And I'm going to reduce the QR code for that so that they can see my scan here. It's positioned correctly. I'm going to click on this and delete it, and select all of this, duplicate and move it here. You see that? Now that I have this covered, I have my design ready. I want to print this just to check if everything is okay. There's nothing on the border, so this is fine. Register for our event. You can change the text or leave it as is. Once you click on here, we're going to click on download to export this out of Canva. And I like, because I'm printing it, I like to go with PDF print, and I like to change it to professional printing, and I will click on download to download my PDF into my device.